Good morning to all of you. Okay, I Prashant Kumar, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Okay, from JEC Kukas. Uh, Today we will discuss the topic impact of jet. Okay, uh, okay. In this contents we will discuss the remaining two topics. Okay, the next two topics are suppose when the plate is curved. When the plate is curved, we will discuss the two topics under the curved plate. That is, first one is when the jet strikes the curved plate at one end tangentially. When the plate is symmetrical, and the second one is jet strikes the curved plate at one end tangentially when the plate is unsymmetrical. मतलब फर्स्ट वन अगर प्लेट हमारा क्या है, कर्व है, और कर्व में क्या है, अगर जेट हमारा स्ट्राइक्स कर रहा है कर्व प्लेट को एक पार्ट में टेंजेंशियली और प्लेट हमारा कैसा है, सिमेट्रिकल है, और दूसरा क्या है, जेट स्ट्राइक्स द कर्व प्लेट एट वन इन टेंजेंशियली, और प्लेट कैसा है, अनसिमेट्रिकल है. ठीक है, और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे हम लोग न्यूमेरिकल. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक. हियर वी विल डिस्कस the second part, that is the jet strikes the curved plate at one end tangentially when the plate is symmetrical. हम लोग क्या पढ़ेंगे इसमें, पहला तो प्लेट कैसा है, कर्व है, दूसरा इसका एक पार्ट टेंजेंशियली पे ये स्ट्राइक कर रहा है, और थर्ड है प्लेट हमारा सिमेट्रिकल है. ओके, नाउ सपोज दिस वन इज द जेट विथ ए वेलोसिटी v, दिस वन इज द नोजल, दिस इज द कर्व प्लेट that is stationary, and fluid is flowing along the jet with a velocity v. Okay, it has the two component. In the direction of x, v cos theta, and in the direction of y, it has the component v sin theta. Okay, theta will be the angle made by the velocity of jet in the direction of x. Now under this section, suppose let's the jet strikes the curved plate at one end tangentially. सेकेंड, द कर्व प्लेट इज सिमेट्रिकल अबाउट एक्स एक्सिस. एक्स एक्सिस के अबाउट क्या है, सिमेट्रिकल है. नाउ व्हेन द प्लेट इज सिमेट्रिकल अबाउट एक्स एक्सिस, देन द एंगल मेड बाय द टेंजेंट एट द टू एंड्स विल बी सेम. एंगल क्या होगा हमारा, सेम होगा. नाउ लेट if suppose the velocity of the jet will be v, angle what, theta will be the angle made by the jet with x axis. Okay, now suppose when the plate is smooth, when the plate is पहला प्लेट ही स्मूथ है and there is no loss of energy. Under this condition, the velocity of water at outlet tip of the curved plate will be equal. Suppose there is no loss of energy and the plate is smooth, therefore the outlet velocity will be equal to the inlet velocity and is equal to v. Therefore the final force exerted by the jet in the direction of x will be fx is equal to mass per second into initial velocity minus final velocity in the direction of x, and we have derived the value of mass per second will be rho av, initial velocity will be v cos theta as per the diagram, and the final velocity in the x direction will be minus v cos theta. Okay, therefore after solving, the final force exerted by the jet in the x direction will be fx is equal to 2 rho a v square cos theta, and similarly the force exerted by a jet of water in the y direction will be mass per second into initial velocity minus final velocity. That is, mass per second will be rho a v, and initial velocity will be v sin theta, and final velocity will be v sin theta, because after striking the initial and the final velocity will be equal at the outlet point. Okay, therefore v1 sin theta minus v sin theta will cancel, and therefore the fy, therefore the force exerted by the liquid in y direction will be 0. Okay, it means what we get that when the jet strikes the curved plate at one end one end tangentially, therefore the force exerted by the jet in x direction will be 2 rho a v square cos theta, 2 rho a v square cos theta, 2 rho a v square cos theta, and the force exerted by jet of water in the direction of y will be 0. In this slide, we will discuss the part second, that is when the jet strikes the curved plate at one end tangentially. ये common है, but the condition is different, that the plate is unsymmetrical. Plate हमारा symmetrical नहीं है. It means the outlet velocity will be different. Suppose when the curved plate is unsymmetrical about x-axis, therefore the angle made by the tangent at inlet and outlet will be different. जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया. तो इस केस में क्या होगा, there will be the two angle. The first one is denoted by theta, that is angle made by the tangent at inlet with x-axis, and second one will be phi, that is the angle made by the tangent at outlet with x-axis. Okay. Now, therefore, the velocity v has two components. At inlet point v1x, therefore the velocity component in the x direction will be v cos theta, and the second component of velocity at inlet will be in the y direction will be v1y, that is v sin theta. And similarly at the outlet point we have the two components, that is first one is v2x, that is minus v cos phi, and second one is v2y is equal to v sin phi. Therefore the final force exerted by the jet of water in the direction of x and y will be mass per second into initial velocity minus final velocity, that is the final equation comes shown by the equation number 8, that is fx is equal to rho a v square cos theta plus cos phi. Similarly in the y direction it has the component, that is the force exerted by the jet of water in y axis will be denoted by equation number 9, that is rho fy is equal to rho a v square into difference of sin theta minus sin phi. Okay. Now after derivation we will sort out the some numerical. Okay. Now I think you got it. Now in this numerical we will see that for the question is saying that find the force exerted by a jet of water of diameter 75 mm on a stationary flat plate when the jet strikes plate normally with velocity of 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, सबसे पहले तो आपने क्या निकालना, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट फोर्स एक्सर्टेड बाय ए जेट ऑफ वाटर, दैट इज Fx. ओके. नाउ डायमीटर क्या है 75 mm, दैट इज d given. we have to convert it into mm, that comes 0.075 mm on a stationary. अपने को मालूम चल गया प्लेट हमारा कैसा है, प्लेट हमारा स्टेशनरी भी है और फ्लैट भी है. ओके. और जेट का जो वेलोसिटी है वो क्या है, दैट इज v 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड. एंड नाउ फ्रॉम द डायमीटर वी कैन कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ द जेट, दैट इज पाई बाई 4 d स्क्वायर. it comes 0.004417 meter square. Okay. Now the velocity of jet given 20 meter per second. Therefore, as we have discussed earlier, the final force exerted by a jet of water on fixed vertical plate will be rho a v square. ओके. जब प्लेट हमारा स्टेशनरी होगा और फ्लैट होगा तो उस केस में जो फोर्स एग्जर्ट होता है जेट के द्वारा उस प्लेट पर वो होगा rho a v square, where rho is the density of water, a is the area of the jet, and v is the velocity. We know the density of water will be 1000 kg per meter cube. Okay. Area we have calculated earlier, and v 20 meter. After solving we will get the final value of F, that is 1766.8 Newton. Okay. I think you got it. Okay. So thanks and have a nice day.